Good morning, students. So now we are going to start a new chapter in your class 8, and that is algebraic expression and identities. Algebraic expression and identities. So students, I am going to start this chapter, algebraic expression and identities. So students, have you heard this word before, algebraic expressions? So students, before starting this algebraic expressions, we should be well aware about algebra. So what is algebra? Algebra. Actually, we can divide mathematics into several parts. So one part of maths is algebra. So what is algebra? In which we study about variables and constant. If we study about literals, variables, that is under the study of algebra. So students, the branch of mathematics, in which we study about literals, variables is under algebra. So remember this. Now students, what are variables? What are constant? So let us go for it. So variables. In this word variable, we will find two different words. In this word variable, we will find two words. One is very means changeable, and able to change. So one which is able to change its value. So one which is able to change its value is come under variable. So students, X, Y, Z, all these alphabets, they will have the fixed value. They can change its value. In fact, you can see the answer of any question in X is 10, suppose it is 15, sometimes it is 30. So it is changing its value continuously. So this is known as variable, which is able to change. And students, what are constants? So constants are which are having the fixed values. If the value is not changing, these are known as constant. If a value of a number is not changing, it remains fixed, that is known as constant. So what are constants? Which is not changing its value. So 5 is a constant, 6 is a constant. All the numbers, either the number is rational, irrational, any kind of number is always constant. Now my question is pi a constant? Pi. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. You have used it in class 7th as well. And 22 upon 7 sometimes we use 3.14. But actually it's a fixed value. So pi is also a constant. So variable which can change its value, constant which cannot change its value, remain fixed, is constant. So what is algebraic expression? So students, algebraic expression is the combination of variable and constants. So what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is defined as the combination of variable and constant. So if you will arrange variable and constant together, you will find the algebraic expression. For example, suppose we have written 5x plus 7y plus 4. This is known as algebraic expression. So, and when we are combining, as I have said, that algebraic expression is the combination of variable and constant. So I have combined x, y, numbers are there and literals are there, both are combined. So this is algebraic expression. And when we will combine variables and constant, then we will separate it by sign. For example, here I have used plus. Between 5 and x, there is the sign of multiply. If nothing is there, then multiply sign is there. So this is how we have combined these two. So students, algebraic expression is the combination of variable and constant separated by either plus sign or minus sign, could be there, multiply sign or divide sign. So algebraic expression is the combination of variable and constant separated by either plus, minus, multiply or divide sign. So this is what you need to remember. Now students, this is all about algebraic expression. I hope you understood this. Now after this, there is degree. We have to study about degree of algebraic expression. So what is degree of algebraic expression? So let us go for it. As you can see, what is the power of variable here? You will say the power of variable is 1. What is the power of variable here? That is also 1. Suppose we have written 7x square plus 5x. Now what is the power of variable? Here it is 2, here it is 1. So maximum power of variable is known as degree. So we can say the degree of this algebraic expression is how much? 2. Because 2 is the maximum power of variable. Maximum power of variable is known to be degree of the algebraic expression or polynomial. You will study polynomial in your upcoming class 9th. What is a polynomial? What is the difference between polynomial and algebraic expression? You will study this all in your upcoming class 9th. So students, I hope you understood this. Now, what are the types of algebraic expression? So there are monomial, there are binomial, there are trinomial, and there are polynomial. So monomial means mono. What is the meaning of mono? So students, the meaning of mono is single. If an algebraic expression is having only single term, then it is monomial. For example, only one term is written, say 7x square. This is monomial. If it is holding out two terms, this will be known as binomial. So binomial means there should be at least two terms. Suppose we have written 7x square minus 3. So this will be binomial. Trinomial, it should have at least three terms. For example, we may write an example, 5x plus 4 minus 7y. So this will be trinomial. Polynomial means uncountable. The meaning of poly is many more. We cannot count the number of terms. That will be polynomial. Okay. So if an algebraic expression is having 5 terms, 7 terms, 10 terms, more than 10, this all will become under polynomial. So this is about algebraic expression. These are the types of algebraic expression on the basis of the number of terms. Okay, and then we have to study for the degree of polynomial. So degree, if the degree is 1, what is the meaning of degree? Degree is maximum power of variable. If degree is 1, if the degree of a polynomial is 1, this will be known as linear. For example, we have written 7x plus 4. This is having, what is the degree of this polynomial? That is 1. So this is linear. If the degree is 2, means maximum power of variable is 2. This will be quadratic. If the degree is 3, this will be cubic polynomial. Okay. So, and if the degree is 4, for 4 degree we also define as by biquadratic polynomial. So this you have to remember. What are terms which are separated by plus and minus sign? So how many terms are there in this polynomial? We will say this is one term, this is another term, this is another term. So there are total of 3 terms. Okay. So this is how the one which are separated by plus and minus sign are known as terms of the polynomial. I hope you understood this. Okay. What are coefficients? Coefficients are which are in multiply of the variable. As you can see, x is here. What is in multiply of x? That is 5. So 5 is the coefficient of x. In the similar way, suppose I ask you, what is the coefficient of y? You will say 7. Now students, let us make it tricky. 5x minus 4y. What is the coefficient of x? You will say 5. What is the coefficient of y? You will not say 4 because negative sign is there, you have to consider it. So the coefficient of y is said to be -4. So this is how we make the coefficients of the term. Okay, I hope you understood this. So this was the introduction part of this chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. Okay, later we will study so many other terms related to this, and we will start the exercise on the upcoming lecture. So thank you. God bless you.